everyone, Petalisbless here, and welcome back to another Freestyle Wednesday. And on today's Freestyle Wednesday, I have a bag. And I'm going to be showing you this bag right here, this Saint Laurent bag, and it's from a company called Coee bags. So let's get into the specs of this bag, and then we'll come back and talk more about this bag. Okay, so here's the box it came in, and this is how it looks. So it's packaged nicely. So we're gonna look and see what else is in the box. It comes in a nice gift bag in case you would like to gift out this item. And then you have your little receipts and stuff. And here is the dust bag that the bag comes in. Saint Laurent. I love the dust bags. I always store my bags back in them when I'm not using them. So we're just gonna take it out. Remove everything that's inside. And here it has the belt. And then it has this little pouch that it comes with. Okay, here's the bag. It's nice and soft. And this is the side, the back, the bottom. Okay, it comes with a short strap. As you can see here, a nice short strap. And then we have the long strap, and it is adjustable. And of course, the pouch that's inside. And that's how the pouch looks. It's nice and spacey. And it's attached to the bag. I just snapped it on. And this is the inside of the bag. Lots of room, very spacey inside. And then you have this little hook here, and it just hooks right in there. And that's how it looks. And from this side and the back. Hey everyone, isn't it a nice bag? I absolutely love it. It's a lovely bucket bag. Yes it is. And here it is once again. And it has the long strap, like I showed you, and it has a small strap. Now this is a beautiful bucket bag, and it's a shine leather. The shine leather, doesn't that look nice? OMG, and it feels so nice to the touch. And I love the hardware that it has. It's like a rustic gold color, not a shiny gold, a rustic gold color. It's very nice. And this is how it looks when it's closed, like I showed you before. Or you can open it and have it open if you like, because you're carrying it in your hand, so it being open would be okay too. You don't have to have it closed. And as you see, it doesn't have any side pockets inside, but they do give you a pouch that's attached, so you can put any little personal items within this pouch. And of course, if you have your different, like with my bags, I did a what's in my bag, I have little individual pouches that I carry things in, and I just drop them in my bag. So that's why I love the bucket bags. I absolutely love the bucket bags, because it's very neat and convenient for little items that I have, and the pouches I like to carry my stuff in. But I love this bag. As you can see, it's very nice. Let me show you how it is when you have it holding it in your hand, on your shoulder, and all that good stuff. Doesn't it look nice? It looks absolutely nice. And you can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's a beautiful bag. Any way that you would like to use it. And now I like carrying it with the short straps. Yes, so you could just take off the long straps, just 2 little clips, 1 on each side, and the straps are off. And then you have it just like this with the short strap. That's how I like carrying my bags, because I like, let me put that there, I like carrying it either like this in my hand or through my hand like this, like how I showed you. That's how I like carrying my bags. And with this, it's a nice bucket bag, don't you think so? I think it looks beautiful. And it has the feet on the bottom like I showed you. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 feet on the bottom. Oh, I forgot to take the paper off the bottom. LMG! I forgot to take the protective paper off. Yes, I did. Give me a minute, let me take them off. Alright, you guys, so sorry about that. And there's how they look. I totally didn't realize I didn't take off the paper off the bottom. But it's the same rustic gold color, like the hardware everywhere throughout the bag. And here's the YSL symbol. And there's the gold on that side and on this side. And the strap, of course, had the gold hardware on it too. The long strap, but I like it with just the little short strap. And Coee bags, their shipping is very reasonable. It's very fast. You don't wait forever to get your item, which is a good thing, yes. Because when you're being bougie on a budget, you want your item as fast as possible. Alright everyone, I'm going to leave the link below to Coee bags so you guys can go over and check them out. And if you're bougie on a budget like your girl, you'll like what they have to offer for you over there. Your girl is going to put some things in here because I'm ready to go out. So I'm going to put some things in my bag and head out on the road. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. So thank you for coming on and seeing what I had to share with you on this Freestyle Wednesday. And remember to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.